Thanks for watching the replay. If you are watching the replay, comment replay. If you're watching me live, comment live. Today I'm going to show you how to blend colors to make an ombre effect. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and quickly share this to my VIP group and my personal page. And if you would like to be in my VIP group, comment VIP. That is where I have like specials and yeah, I have specials and deals and all kinds of good information in there. So you want to be in that group for sure. Okay. Also, last night I did a fun online Facebook party, chalk party. It was a lot of fun. If you are interested in maybe hosting one of those, comment chalk party. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. You get to learn all about products, see a bunch of cool videos. I go live and chalk live with you guys and do a Q&A. So it's pretty awesome. Okay. Also, one more thing I want to show you. No, that's not what I wanted to do. No. What is happening? Okay, really quickly, I want to show you guys something. Look at my shirt that I made. So I made this the other day, if you were watching. It says, I just want to chalk pretty things. And then on the back, it says Chalk Couture and says Design, Love, Repeat. It's pretty cute. I'm really happy with how this turned out. So I'm going to wear this at my next vendor event. So pretty excited about that. Okie doke. So, let me fix this. All right. Let me check on baby girl. She is waking up. She was taking a little nap a little bit ago. Okay, so today what we're going to do is I am going to, I found these really cute hanging chalkboards, which I think would be really cute if you had a wreath and then hung that like inside. We're going to attempt to put this hello on here. I realize that it's bigger than our space, but, what did I just knock over? But we're going to see how we can make it work, because I think it's going to look really cool. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. All right, so I'm going to blend the Couture Teal and Lemon Yellow together. Also, if you guys didn't see, yesterday we launched our new catalog. Okay, yeah, this is going to be, it's going to say hell, because the whole word's not fitting. I was hoping I was going to get it to fit mostly. Let's see. Okay, I guess this is the best I'm going to be able to do. Let's see how that looks when it's done. The good news is, if it looks terrible, we can erase it and do something different. All right, so I am going to fix baby girl. Hey, baby, you okay? I got her in a little swing. She's just hanging out. So, I love to have a bunch of these little squeegees so I can have one for each color while I'm working, so I don't have to clean them until I'm finished. Like, I don't know how that's gonna work. I guess we'll see. We shall see. All right. So, yeah, so we just came out with a new catalog yesterday. And so we like crashed the internet. So many people were ordering at the same time. But it ended up being really successful. And I was able to get my order in. If you guys need anything from the new catalog, go ahead and let me know so that I can get it for you. So I'm just going to do like that. Yeah, and if you want to check out the new catalog, if you haven't seen it, ask me about that and I will help you out so you can see it. But yeah, there's a lot of good stuff in there. Lots of good stuff. Okay, put the excess in the jar. And I'm going to come over here and do the yellow. So, like I said, we had a chalk party last night. It was super fun. If you're interested, you can do them online, or if you're local, we can set something up local also. So let me know, because that would be fun. Don't forget, if you're local, I also do workshops. And if you wanted to set one up, we could set one up. Okay, so this is how we're going to blend it. So actually, so you can use this tool, but I actually like to use my finger. So I like to kind of just go in here and kind of just swirl it together and kind of blend it over. So then what I'm going to do, wipe my finger off on a towel, and then I'm going to take the squeegee and I'm going to get all the excess off. And wipe that off. All right, and now we're going to peel and reveal. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. I am a fan. Yeah, I dig it. So yeah, so that's how you can blend colors together and make kind of like an ombre effect. You can do that with a bunch of different colors. I've actually done it before with several colors and done a tie-dye effect. If you want to see me do tie-dye live, go ahead and comment tie-dye and we will do that on the next one. But here's what we made. I'm a fan, I like it. I can tell it says hello even though it's cut off. I kind of like that it's cut off. But yeah, that was fun. So yeah, like I said, if you guys need anything from the new catalog, let me know. If you haven't seen the new catalog, let me know and I will make sure that you can see it. And if you guys have any questions or anything at all, just go ahead and comment below and I would be excited to chat with you. So I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. That was fun making some, but you can see how quick and easy it is. Like you can do quick and easy projects too. You don't have to do like the long elaborate ones all the time. So, yeah, I think I'm going to hang this on my front door actually. So I'll take a picture of it on my front door. All right, guys. Have an awesome morning. That was super quick, but I guess I will see y'all later. Have an awesome, what is it, Tuesday?